Kent Hovind and so many people have a misinterpretation of what science is. They think of it as the physics lab experiment as the model of what science is. So much of science is inference. So much of it is inferring from different pieces of data, sequences. So much of the historical sciences are not anything at all like a physics experiment. So when you say, well, the Earth is only 6,000 years old or whatever, well, look, this is going to throw out all of cosmology, astronomy, chemistry, biochemistry, geology, historical geology, paleontology, archaeology. Don't think this has to do with evolutionary theory. All of science is completely wrong if he's right. There's no point of having any science. He says he's pro-science. He's completely anti-science, because if he's right, it all goes out the window. So in terms of the Big Bang, well, there's a whole series of pieces of evidence that have to do with how explosions occur, what kinds of elements you would expect to find the most of if this explosion occurred, and we do find them. Again, I said the Big Bang was debated for many decades, and lots of people didn't accept it. A lot of hardcore scientific skeptics didn't believe it until the evidence amounted so much that it just became inevitable to accept it.
Well, the sky is falling is what he's trying to say, folks. If we believe in creation, everything's going to fall apart. I mean, all the sciences have to be thrown out. That's ludicrous. All the branches of science were started by creationists. The evolution theory has done nothing for the advancement of science. That's not why we put a man on the moon. That's not why you can do open heart surgery. Evolution is a useless theory, even if it's true. It is absolutely useless as far as science goes. You don't have to believe in creation or evolution to study science. You can learn about the biceps, the triceps, the deltoid, and all the different muscles of the body, and never get into origins. It doesn't matter. No doctor doing surgery cares at all about evolution while he's cutting somebody's heart out to replace it. It's a useless theory.
The second law of thermodynamics, I'm amazed anybody ever brings that up anymore. That's just kind of a non-issue for us anymore.
Second law tells us basically everything's falling apart, okay? The Bible teaches that clearly. Everything is waxing old like a garment. Here's Sue at 20. Here she is at 90. Here she is at 3,000, okay? Now, the evolutionists will say you can overcome the second law by adding energy. This is ludicrous. Adding energy is destructive unless there's something to utilize the energy. The Japanese added a whole bunch of energy to Pearl Harbor one day. They didn't organize anything.
To order this video, contact Creation Science Evangelism, 29 Cummings Road, Pensacola, Florida, 32503. Or call us toll-free inside the U.S., 877-479-3466. Or contact us on our website at www.drdino.com. That's drdino.com.